Can you tackle these challenging riddles? What has a face and two hands but no arms or legs? Answer is a clock. I am a table you can eat. What am I? Answer is vegetable or periodic table. Vegetables are often served on tables, and people eat them as part of their meals. The play on words involves the dual meaning of table as a piece of furniture and as a verb meaning to present something for discussion or consideration. I'm a bird that doesn't fly, and I'm known for my long legs. What am I? Answer is ostrich. What is more useful when it is broken? Answer is an egg. I'm a slow-moving reptile and carry my house on my back. What am I? Answer is tortoise. I am a country. If you remove my last three letters, I become a germ. What am I? Answer is Germany. I'm a marsupial. I have a pouch, but I'm not a purse. What am I? Answer is kangaroo. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.